Hello, I'm Michael with Mobile Leader Auto. Just coming on here real quick, speaking to you guys just about YouTube or Facebook or any other video platforms where you might find help working with your cars, tips, tricks, or anything like that. Yes, there's a standard labor rate, no matter how long a job takes, that each shop is going to charge. These hours are based off of how long it takes to do it in a standard or typical amount of time. So there's certain labor rates that are already set. So each shop is going to charge you based off of that. Most technicians are on flat rate. So yes, they probably can do the job quicker, but basically they get paid for their knowledge, their tools, everything they invest in to be able to do that job. Not only do it and do it quickly, but also in a manner that is safe. The quality is not compromised, or it's not less quality. You're getting the same quality, but that tech is honed in on his skills, so he's going to be able to do that job quicker. He has the right tools. He has the right mindset. He's done it several times, so it is going to take him less time. But yes, you're going to pay that set amount of time that it's supposed to take to get to do it. That's what you're going to be quoted. And no, it's not based off of you've seen it on YouTube and it took 30 minutes. We get a lot of times people call and say, oh, it's about 15 and 20 minutes worth of work based off on what they seen on YouTube. So just letting you know that you're not going to be billed based off of the 15-minute video that you found on the web. You're going to be billed based on how long that job is supposed to take, because anything could go awry. There could be a strip bolt, there could be a rusted bolt, broken off bolt that will make that job take longer. So to be fair to the shop and to the mechanic, the technician that's doing the job, there will be a set amount of time booked. And yes, some shops like to watch videos too and get tips and tricks, but one thing not to do is to go to a shop and try to get them to go off of based a list of forums you found and fixes you found on forums, and want that shop to go off of that to repair your vehicle. You pay them, let them do what they do, let them diagnose it, and then go from there. Don't give a shop a list of forums or fixes, tips and tricks, and the vehicle hadn't been scanned, diagrams haven't been looked at. Just give them your car, tell them the symptoms, and allow them to do what they do, troubleshoot. So just wanted to come on here real quick and give you a message about that. If you have any comments about it, DIYers or technicians at different shops, please leave me a comment below if you have a comment on it, and let me know your take on that, okay? Thanks for tuning in. See you on the next one.